What's really going on, everybody? You know, it's so great when you get to see something like this. Yes! I received something from the international mail! Oh, I can't wait to see what's inside. I think it is my major award. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. A sucker. Cool. I get candy. Nothing wrong with candy. Oh, wait a minute. For being our willing victim, here's 10% off your first order with Dumb Luck. Just use test subject 3 at checkout. Dumb Luck threads. Make sure you check them out on their website, dumbluckthreads.co.uk. Oh, I'm so excited for this t-shirt. Hey, I hope I like this shirt too. And I won't forget to send you a photo. I'll even do you one better. I will do you a huge favor and make you a video. Well, yeah, they already said thanks. They're all about, oh, I like this little button. I'm in the Geist and Ghouls Club. Nice. I didn't even know I was a member. Kind of like the time I ordered the club sandwich and didn't even realize I was in the club. Oh, so excited about this. It's my size. All right. Tried to pull off a camera trick there and it didn't necessarily work. Amazing. Dumb Luck. Oh, this is so cool. Yes! Oh, I can't. Oh, can't wait. Dun 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 dun. I'm digging my shirt. Dumb Luck. Love it. Love it. Thank you very much. I know I don't get on video very much, but yeah, I got to show off my cool new t-shirt. Yeah, how's it look back there? So make sure you check out the website, dumbluckthreads.co.uk. And if you use the little code, PEZBook5, you get 5% off your first order. So be sure to check out all their groovy, nice shirts that they have to offer.